Hi, welcome to Mizo Fashion Designs, a YouTube channel where you can get trending designs and fashions in Mizo. If you do not subscribe our channel yet, please hit the subscribe button now, to get latest video from us. In this video you will get Mizo Sunday dress design by Valkyria. You can also order any of these products from Instagram Valkyria Official and website www.valkyria.com. Products showcased in this video are owned by Valkyria. In a nutshell, Mizo women are stylish and fashionable. They have a unique style of dressing on Sunday. As a Christian women, they follow respectable and decorous dress code in church. This makes the Mizo women popular as far Sunday dress is concerned. Christians women from other parts of the world, especially those of tribal Christians, loved Mizo Sunday dress. As we post videos to expose trending dress and designs, we get lots of query about Sunday dress. So, we assume that Sunday dress style of the Mizo wins attention and blows the minds of viewers. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really appreciate designs shown in this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.